After a few different generations, it looks like Onyx has got it right with the new Max Pro 2. This is their third generation 13.3, and this has a lot of great things going for it. It has a touchscreen layer in addition to a WACOM layer. So this is the first time that Onyx allows you to interact with it with your fingers. It is brimming with specs.
So you got 2200 by 1650, as Mike said, WACOM layer, 1.6 gigahertz, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs on board, it's 550 grams, it's really light, it's got a micro HDMI. This thing definitely has a lot going for it.
Yep, so not only is it a digital note taker now, but it's also a secondary monitor for your laptop, for your PC or Mac setup.
Right there. So we're gonna crack this open for the very first time here. Just received this today in the studio. This is a huge device, obviously 13.3, and the box is even bigger.
Looking at the box, I mean, this is really slick.
It's very nice, yeah, good point. They have a very matte here, but they two-toned it with some gloss here, and it's not a sticker, it's on the box. So that's really cool. This is the same case they give you in the Onyx Boox Max Carta, the first one, so we'll look at that at the end. You have quick start guide. We're just gonna go over this real quick. I'm gonna read every single thing to you. No, I'm kidding. You guys can pause the video at any point in time if you want to see what this is all about, or if you lose your startup guide, this will allow you to kind of figure out what's going on, because it's always nice to have these. That's the startup guide. You have your warranty card. If anything goes wrong, hold on to that. You have your USB. We're still micro USB on this one, not USB-C yet or anything. An updated stylus. The stylus has a push button at the back. Doesn't seem to twist off or anything or pull apart. And you have the nib on the very top, and it's very HB2 pencil-y. It is octagonal, so there's 8 sides to it. Very nice. And here it is right here. We were wondering if we had one in the studio, but a micro HDMI cable comes included with the device. Nothing else is in the box. Looking at the box, the device itself, you have a very nice case, very hefty, and still no flush screen and bezel on large screen e-readers, but that's totally fine. You have 4 buttons on the bottom, a more button, left, right, and a back. On the bottom, you have a hard reset button and probably an indicator light, because both of them can't be hard resets. You have a power button, a micro HDMI, micro USB, 3.5mm headphone jack, nothing on the right but your little strap here, nothing on the top, and nothing on the left. The back is very nice plastic, and you have a speaker down below, just a single speaker. But that should be sufficient enough, because hell, e-readers don't even have speakers these days.
Right, so it looks like design-wise, this is very similar to the Max Carta in terms of where the button placement is and where the stylus placement is. I dig the fact that you have a ton of onboard storage.
Absolutely.
Because large screen e-readers need it, because they're primarily, you know, you're using them as PDF readers for the most part, and PDF editing, note taking, and ebook reading to a lesser degree. But now that there's more storage for audiobooks, music collection, where you could listen to the speaker, or you can plug in a pair of like headphones as well.
Yeah, so this is everything that comes on in the box. On our YouTube channel at youtube.com/goodyreader, we will be doing full reviews and comparisons and all sorts of awesome stuff with this.
Yeah, so we hope that you enjoyed this, and this is a small tease of more things yet to come. For goodyreader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.